all of the members of our family, some that are here today and some that have passed away. Have made me the man that I am today and have guided me to be here standing in front of you. Caitlin, I know that you wanted your dad Richard to be here to walk you down the aisle today. I know you wanted him to be here. But in some small way, if you get a chance today to look in the mirror, you'll see him looking back at you, because the integrity and humor and love that he shared with you has shaped you into the beautiful woman that I'm lucky to even know, let alone be grateful that every day I get to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
Carl, when I look back on all of my most painful days, if only I knew you were on your way to me. You're my friend, my partner. Can you hold these because I'm shaking? You are nothing short of wonderful. You're amazing at playing guitar. You're amazing at cooking gourmet meals. You're amazing at saving lives. And you're amazing at many, many other things that I will never say in front of our families.
Thank you.
Oh, the time has turned to save against me, but all the people smile so sweetly.
You are so thoughtful in the way you show me you love me, Carl. And you don't just tell me in words. You're always picking up when I'm putting down, babe. And we're always just grooving along in our own little happy world. You are my heart, Carl. The man my dad had prayed for. And the one I promised to choose every day for the rest of my life. I love you.
I can't believe we're finally here, Caitlin. Their bond is so genuine, it is heartwarming to witness.
It always harkens me back to when I found out that Caitlin had met Carl. She calls me up. Hey, Mitchell. I met this guy. That's awesome, Kate. What? That's cool. Was it at school? Was it at work? We met at a bar.
In 5th grade, we also planned Caitlin's dream wedding. Only in this version, she rides up on a Harley, dressed head to toe in leather, and she crawls down the aisle to the song, I Wanna Be Bad With You, Baby.
I am doing everything I can today, not just for Caitlin, but for my dad who couldn't be here. He would be in awe of this place. He would be so happy with the redwoods, with the food, with my shitty jokes and everything.
If I can get through this next part, it'll be a miracle. And in the words of Stevie Wonder, know through all the joy and pain, I'll always be loving you, always.
If you'd raise your glass, please, to Carl and Caitlin. May you live long and love long.
If you cheat, may you cheat death. If you steal a woman's heart. If you fight, may it be for your brother. And if you drink, May you drink with me.
Please allow me, as your mother, to make a few suggestions to you newlyweds.
And the only advice that I can really give you
To say I love you often and to not forget to call your mother.
is the only advice that I've learned in my whole life. Yeah, actually, it's called, please call my mother, okay?
I love your very pristine and family-oriented sense of humor. And how you said if I didn't cry when you walked down the aisle, that you would go back and do it over and over and over again until I did.